In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage documents and files in Monday.com. We'll walk through how to access your files, use the file gallery view, and adjust a few important settings so your team can find and use documents quickly and consistently. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account, then head over to the board where you manage your marketing materials. In this example, we're using a board called High Level Marketing Budget. Go ahead and click into that board so you can see all of your items and columns. Within this board, look for the group or section where you store creative assets. There should be an item or area labeled something like Creative Files. Click on that. This is where you'll be attaching, organizing, and reviewing documents related to your campaigns, such as images, PDFs, or design files. Next, we're going to switch how we view these files. At the top of your board, you'll see a row of view options or tabs. One of these is currently highlighted, showing your active view. Click on that highlighted area to open the list of available views for this board. From that list, choose the option called File Gallery. Click on File Gallery, and Monday.com will switch your board into a visual layout that focuses on your documents. Instead of just seeing rows and columns, you'll now see thumbnails of the files attached to items on this board. This is extremely helpful when you're working with visual assets and need to quickly recognize a file by its preview. Once the File Gallery view loads, take a moment to look around the top right area of the screen. You'll see several icons and buttons there. These highlights allow you to fine-tune how your files are displayed and filtered. Click on the highlighted options as shown on your screen to explore what they do. For example, you might toggle between different layouts, adjust sorting, or filter files based on status or owner to narrow down what you're looking at. Now, look for the Settings option for this view, usually represented by a small gear icon. Click on Settings. This is where you can control how the file gallery behaves for this board. In the Settings panel, you'll see more highlighted options. Click through these to adjust preferences, such as which columns are used for file attachments, what information appears under each file, and how files are grouped. Finally, confirm any changes you've made in the settings by clicking on the highlighted Action or Close button shown on your screen. Your file gallery view is now configured, and your documents and files in Monday.com will be much easier for your whole team to manage and use.